Right here is the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. I'm gonna build this thing up to make it look better, perform better, and be totally badass. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King here, and I've got something awesome to show you guys. Let's go and check it out. This right here is the Team Lethal Mustang Giveaway car. That's right, guys, we're giving this car away along with $10,000 in cash. All you have to do to enter to win is to purchase your aftermarket parts and accessories here at Lethal Performance, as well as our awesome line of merchandise. Every dollar that you spend with us gets you one entry. We're running this through May 31st. Now check it out. 2022 Mustang GT, carbonized gray metallic. It's got a 10-speed auto in it. It's a super clean car. We picked this car up from Weichert Ford up in Lake Wales, Florida. As you can see, we've lethalized it with the Lethal Performance skull and crossbones on there. This car is super nice. So not only do you have the opportunity to win this car and $10,000 in cash, but we're also gonna build this thing up to make it look better, perform better, and be totally badass. Let's go ahead, talk about the modifications we're gonna be doing. And again, you guys can follow us on our build series on our Lethal Performance YouTube channel. Every single step of the way, we're gonna be documenting for you guys, so this car will be ready exactly when it's time to give it away on May 31st for that one person to get a built-up, awesome Team Lethal Mustang. Let's go ahead and talk about some of the body and styling mods we'll be doing to this vehicle. We've got our Cervinis 2020 and up GT500 style hood on here with the heat extractor. It's gonna be paint matched carbonized gray metallic to match this color perfectly. We're also doing a 777 Performance GT500 style front fascia on here, which will also be paint matched carbonized gray metallic. Walking to the back of the vehicle here, we're gonna be replacing this factory spoiler with our GT500 carbon fiber spoiler. That's right, it's 100% real carbon fiber, as well as our taillight trim bezels, which will be going on here. We've also got Ford Performance Euro style taillights, which will be installed, as well as some Ford Performance hood struts for that Cervinis hood we'll be doing on the front. You know this car can definitely use some new wheels and tires. So we're going with the Velgen Classic 5 V2s in black, along with a Turo 850 AZ tires. It's gonna be wrapped with some Velgens. It's gonna look awesome. We'll be doing the SP Performance slotted rotors and brake pads. So this thing is gonna look great once it's all ready. We've teamed up with BMR Suspension to do a whole bunch of upgrades on this vehicle. You guys know BMR is a great partner of ours. We use their stuff on my 2018 GT that I went 864 at 157 miles an hour with. That's a great, simple setup, and we're doing very similar setup on this car to beef up that IRS. We've got some IRS bracing. We've got some bushings on those control arms, camber links, toe links, vertical links. The whole nine from BMR is going on here, and to top it off, we're doing the performance lowering springs, which are gonna be great for both the street and the track and give you a really nice, aggressive drop and look to the vehicle. So before we get into driveline upgrades, let's talk about why we're doing all these modifications to the vehicle. This car is be getting a custom powder-coated Whipple Gen 5 3-liter Stage 2 supercharger kit. We're just gonna pump out just under 700 wheel horsepower and be 50 state legal. Wait till you guys see the color of the blower that we're putting on this car. It's gonna pop, it's gonna look so awesome, and it's gonna make tons of power. So all the mods that we're talking about here, the suspension, the driveline, the handling stuff, is all to get the car ready for that Whipple Supercharger kit. And that leads me to the driveline. Obviously, we know that factory two-piece drive shaft doesn't hold up that great, as well as those factory half shafts are known to break. So we teamed up with our awesome friends over the Drive Shaft Shop to get this car some proper driveline upgrades. What are we doing? 3.5-inch aluminum drive shaft, along with their all-new Nemesis half shafts. These are rated at 2,000 horsepower. They've got bolt-in inner and outer stubs, and are gonna be there to help make this car put the power to the ground without seeing any failures. I've used DSS on so many of our builds over the years with awesome success, and that's why we partnered up with them for the driveline mods on this car. It's got the stock exhaust on it. I think it's time for us to change that. We've got Kooks 1 7/8-inch headers with their green cats on here. Those are 50 state certified, along with that calibration from Whipple Superchargers, along with the AWE Touring catback with black diamond tips. Not only is this car gonna look awesome, make tons of power, but it's gonna sound awesome too. So remember to head on over to Lethal Performance today. Make sure to place your orders with us. All of the aftermarket performance parts and accessories, as well as our merchandise, gains you an entry for every dollar that you spend. For more information about the official rules of our giveaway, come to lethalperformance.com and check it out. Good luck to all my Team Lethal fans. I love you guys. Let's get this party started. Euro taillights from Ford Performance, along with the trim beetle on me. We've got the Euro taillights from Ford Performance, the GT500 carbon fiber spoiler, as well as the hey man.